I woke up at 6 o'clock
No, I wake up at
in the
6 o'clock because you wake up every day, no? What do you like to eat for
morning.
breakfast?
Idli, dosa.
Okay, are you South Indian?
Yes, ma'am. Then I will ready, ma'am.
Then I get ready. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you feeling nervous?
No, ma'am.
You're comfortable, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what's your name?
Okay. Tejasvi Yadav, ma'am.
Your name is Tejasvi. Okay.
Yes.
So, Tejasvi, you study? You study in a school?
Yes, ma'am.
You are in class 8.
No, ma'am. I'm in class 9th.
Oh,
Recently, I've completed class 8th.
okay. Okay, tell me about yourself.
Yeah, ma'am. I am Tejasvi Yadav. I am 13 years old.
Yeah.
Recently, I've completed my 8th standard and going to enter 9th standard. My hobbies are drawing and listening to music.
Hmm.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. I am also very fond of music. What kind of music do you like to listen to?
Like smooth or nature music.
Okay, you do instrumental music.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you like Bollywood music?
No, ma'am.
Okay. What are your favorite things to eat? What are your favorite foods?
Fruits or food, ma'am?
Foods.
Um, I like biryani, ma'am, the most.
Okay, you like biryani.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, do you know how to cook?
No, ma'am.
Is it your first conversation over a video call with some YouTuber?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is the first time. Do you practice on apps also?
No, ma'am.
Hmm. You tell me your daily routine, okay?
Yeah, ma'am. I woke up at 6 o'clock
No, I wake up at
in the
6
morning.
o'clock because you wake up every day, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Yeah.
I wake up at 6 o'clock every day. I do meditation.
Oh, wow. Then,
For 10 minutes, I do, ma'am. Every day, I'll do meditation for 10 minutes
mhm,
and then yoga. And
okay.
then I'll brush up
Mhm.
and then I'll eat my break.
Then you brush your teeth. Don't say brush up. Brush up will be wrong. I brush
Okay,
my
ma'am.
teeth.
I brush my teeth and then I have breakfast.
Okay. What do you like to eat for breakfast?
Like idli, dosa.
Okay. Are you South Indian?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Where are you from?
Telangana, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. You like to eat idli, dosa, sambar in the morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What do you do after breakfast?
Ma'am,
What do you do after breakfast?
after breakfast, I'll read newspaper, ma'am.
Okay. So you have so much time in the morning because you have to go to school also, no? Do you get time to read
Actually,
newspaper and do meditation?
we are having holidays, ma'am.
You are having holidays. Okay. Okay, tell me your daily routine when you go to school.
Yeah, ma'am. After breakfast, I bath. I will take a shower.
Okay. I take a bath or I take a shower. Don't put will. After breakfast, I take a shower or I take bath. Don't
Okay,
put
ma'am.
will.
I take
Okay.
a shower. Then I will ready, ma'am.
Then I get ready.
Then I get ready and start going to school.
Then I leave for school. Don't say start going
Then
to school. Are you okay if I
okay.
correct your mistakes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you should say I get ready. Then I leave for school. School के लिए निकलती हूँ. Then I leave for school. You can't say I start going to school. Then I leave for school.
Okay, ma'am.
Then,
Then I start listening classes. I just concentrate on them.
you just
concentrate on classes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay, you pay full attention to your teacher. That's great. Okay, you don't chit chat with your friends.
No, when we have leisures or a games period, then we.
Okay, then you do. Okay, otherwise you don't talk to them during a
No,
lecture.
ma'am.
Okay. What do you do in your tiffin break, lunch break?
We will have our breakfast, ma'am.
We have our breakfast. देखो हम करेंगे नहीं, हम करते हैं. During
Okay,
lunch
ma'am.
break, we have our tiffin. During break time, we have our tiffins or we have our breakfast. Okay? Don't put will
Okay, ma'am.
because will is
Okay.
future tense and you are telling me something that happens regularly. So that is present
Okay.
indefinite tense. Yeah.
Okay.
So what else do you do during break time?
Yeah, we chit chat, ma'am.
Okay. So you eat your tiffin as well as you chit chat. Do you play with them?
Yes. No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So and after break time,
After break time, again we start listening to classes. Yes.
you attend the classes again, and after the
Yes.
classes are over, what do you do?
After classes are over, uh, I will return to my. I return to my home.
I come back home.
I come back home.
I come back home. How do you come home? By a bus?
No, ma'am. By a car or maybe by bike.
Okay, you come back home by a bike.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, after coming back home, what do you do?
I just fresh up
I
and
freshen up.
start.
I just freshen up. Freshen up. I freshen up.
I I freshen up and have my breakfast
But
or snack.
what time do you come back home?
4 o'clock.
What we eat at 4 o'clock is not called breakfast.
Snacks. I'll
Yes,
take snacks.
yes. So after coming back home, I freshen up, then I have some snacks. Then I have some
Yes.
snacks, or then I eat my snacks.
Then I eat my snacks.
Yes. Okay, then do you take tea with the snacks?
No, ma'am.
Okay, nothing. You take milk with it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have milk and snacks.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then
Then I start learning or reading my homework. I start doing my homework.
okay, then you start doing your homework. Does
Yes,
somebody
ma'am.
help you with the homework or you do it by yourself?
I'll do it myself, ma'am.
Okay, nobody helps you with the homework.
No, ma'am.
Okay, then
Then I'll have my dinner.
okay, you don't take tuitions.
No, ma'am.
Okay, wow, you study yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
But after studying and after finishing your homework, you don't go out and play.
No, ma'am. I don't want to play. Actually, I watch mobile. On mobile, I watch your videos, or on TV, I'll watch any movie.
Okay, so when your homework is complete, then you watch something on your mobile or TV, but you don't go out.
No, ma'am.
Okay, what do you like to watch on TV?
On TV, I watch programs in English or maybe movies.
Okay, so don't put I will because it is a regular thing. So you can say on TV, I like to watch some English programs or movies. What kind of movies do you like?
Like crime, crime, ma'am.
Oh, wow.
Crime.
You like crime thriller movies.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
have you watched CID?
No, ma'am.
You've never watched CID. Okay, do you watch Crime Patrol?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, you are looking nervous. You don't look happy. Please smile.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, tell me about your best friends.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm having only one best friend. Her
Hmm.
name is Lakshmi Kat.
Her name is Lakshmi Kant.
Kartika.
Sagarika.
Lakshmi Kartika.
Lakshmi Kartika. Okay. She is also in your class, your section?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, do you ever play together? Does she live nearby?
No, ma'am.
She lives far away.
Yes, ma'am. She's far away from my home.
Okay. Have you ever been to her house?
No, ma'am.
And she also has never come to your house.
No, ma'am. She had never come.
You never invited her on your birthday also?
I invited, but it's too far away, so she
Okay.
never come.
Okay, they didn't let her come.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So when is your birthday?
December 19th, ma'am.
19th of?
December.
Oh, 19th of December. Okay, so you turned
Yes,
13.
ma'am. Ma'am?
You turned 13 on 19th December 2024.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how did you celebrate your last birthday, 13th birthday?
No, ma'am. I haven't celebrate my birthday.
You didn't celebrate your birthday.
No, ma'am.
But you said you invited your friend, but she didn't come.
For previous birthday, ma'am.
Okay,
12.
12th birthday. You
Yes.
celebrated the 12th birthday.
Yes, ma'am.
How did you celebrate that one?
Just normally, ma'am. Just a cake and balloons. Decorated with balloons.
Okay, you decorated
Only
the
with
house
family
with balloons
and
and you cut the cake and
and
you invited your friends.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. And how many siblings do you have?
One sibling, ma'am.
Okay. So is it a brother,
No, ma'am, sister.
sister? Is she younger than you?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, you are the elder one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how old is she?
She's 7 years, ma'am.
Okay. Since you are 13 and she's 7, so you are 6 years older than her. Do you bully her because you are the elder one? Do you bully her?
No, it's nice.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm saying, do you bully her?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, you bully her. Do you
Yes,
know
ma'am.
what bullying means?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So she complains to parents when you bully her
Yes, ma'am.
and you like bullying her.
No, ma'am, I don't like.
Okay, you get your work done by her.